Is it time to buy or sell Trump Media and Technology Group stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Trump Media and Technology Group. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 30th of May, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched artificial intelligence stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 27th of May, 2025, our system has identified Trump Media and Technology Group as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 2.42. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock encountered a decline of 7.46%. This equates to an average loss of 1.87% each day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock currently sits in the lower section of a wide and robust upward trend in the short term, which often presents a favorable buying opportunity. Should the lower trend floor at $19.69 be breached, it would initially indicate a slower pace of increase and may also serve as an early warning sign of a potential trend reversal. The ongoing 3-month trend points to a possible change of 22.33% over the next 3 months, with expected returns ranging from 12.91% to 63.83%. In terms of the longer horizon, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of negative 14.50%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between negative 73.18% and 87.93% over the next year. In current terms, this translates to a future price ranging from $5.72 to $40.08. Our latest daily update for Trump Media and Technology Group includes the headline: Volatile ride for Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock price on Friday, moving between $19.90 and $22.37. The Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock price gained 2.4% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 30th of May, 2025, rising from $20.83 to $21.33. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated 12.41%, with a day low at $19.90 and a day high of $22.37. The price has fallen in 6 of the last 10 days and is down by 14.61% for this period. Volume has increased on the last day, along with the price, which is a positive technical sign. In total, 12 million more shares were traded than the day before, with a total of 24 million shares bought and sold for approximately $503,290,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $54.68, while the lowest price was $11.75. Currently, the price is 60.99%, or $33.35, below the 52-week high, and 73.13%, or $58.05, below the all-time high on the 26th of March, 2024, when the price reached $79.38. Shares of Trump Media and Technology Group, ticker DJT, have experienced significant volatility, falling by nearly 17% at one point this week. This decline follows the announcement of a private placement deal valued at $2.44 billion with institutional investors, which initially pushed the stock higher. However, concerns persist regarding the company's substantial $2.5 billion investment in establishing a Bitcoin treasury. This shift towards cryptocurrency occurs against a backdrop of declining revenues, with first quarter figures reported at under $1 million. Despite these challenges, some analysts are advocating a buy position, citing the potential for a price bounce from an oversold condition. Investing in Bitcoin may resonate with the company's core audience, opening new avenues for monetization, although this strategy carries considerable risk given the inherent volatility of cryptocurrency. In the short term, the stock's performance may remain unstable as investors navigate the complexities of Trump's media operations and the implications of their aggressive Bitcoin strategy. The high valuation, trading at over 1,800 times annual sales, raises questions about sustainability and market confidence. In the long run, if the Bitcoin strategy proves successful, it could lead to substantial growth and recovery, but the path to profitability is laden with significant challenges. Analysts have assigned the Trump Media and Technology Group stock a general sell rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also provide a strong sell rating for the stock. The following signals have been identified for Trump Media and Technology Group. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, the 29th of May, 2025, and so far it has risen 2.4%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been established. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is considered a strong technical signal. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which may influence the near short-term development. The Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock shows sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, presenting a more negative outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal from the relationship between these two signals, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, resistance may be encountered at the levels of $23.07 and $23.74. A breakout above either of these levels will trigger buy signals. Furthermore, a sell signal is currently indicated from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal 2 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 2 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 6 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 5 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 3 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 6 days ago. A long-term moving average, sell signal 77 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 72 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Let's examine the support, risk, and stop loss for Trump Media and Technology Group. Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation finds support from accumulated volume at $20.83. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when this support is tested. The stock exhibits average daily movements, and with a healthy trading volume, the risk is deemed to be medium. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $2.47 between its high and low points, which is equal to 12.41%. In the last week, the stock experienced an average daily volatility of 11.54%. Before we explore the potential trading levels for Trump Media and Technology Group, let's briefly discuss some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can have challenging periods, often due to factors that are not within their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may raise red flags regarding profitability and signal potential bankruptcy risks. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Trump Media and Technology Group. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Trump Media and Technology Group is at $21.49. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Trump Media and Technology Group encounters its first support level at $20.83. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Trump Media and Technology Group from various analyst sources is to sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 14th of May, 2025, Eric Swider executed an insider sell of 3,000 shares of common stock with a par value of $0.001 per share. On the same day, Philip Juhan conducted an insider sell of 7,567 shares of common stock, with a par value of $0.001 per share. On the 14th of May, 2025, Philip Juhan also sold 416 shares of common stock, with a par value of $0.001 per share. On that same date, Philip Juhan executed another insider sell of 36,774 shares of common stock, with a par value of $0.001 per share. Finally, on the 14th of May, 2025, Philip Juhan sold 248 shares of common stock, with a par value of $0.001 per share. Analyzing the 68 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of 21.222. In summary, insiders purchased 226,177,920 shares and sold 115,937,448 shares in these recent trades. Our assessment of this stock is unfavorable, and currently there is no stop loss established. Is Trump Media and Technology Group stock a good buy? The Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock currently shows several negative indicators. Despite a recent positive trend, we anticipate that the company's performance will remain weak in the upcoming days or weeks. Therefore, our assessment of this stock is unfavorable. After evaluating the volatility and trading movements from the last session, our systems indicate that the present price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 2nd of June, we expect Trump Media and Technology Group to open lower by 13 cents, starting at $21.20. We remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before engaging in the purchase or sale of any securities. Your investment decisions should not rely solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.